Welcome to the Crypto Lab channel. In this video I will talk about DOGELON price prediction and DOGELON news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for DOGELON in 2022. DOGELON is a dog-themed meme coin on Ethereum and Polygon. It follows the example of other successful dog coins like Dogecoin, Shiba Inu and Floki Inu. DOGELON plays on several popular themes in the meme coin space. Its name is a mixture of Dogecoin and Elon Musk, the billionaire entrepreneur who is an outspoken supporter of Doge. It alludes to Mars, a spin on the famous moon meme, implying that DOGELON will experience a massive upward movement. Beyond its tongue-in-cheek name, DOGELON has managed to build a significant community, with more than 300,000 Twitter followers, and more than 84,000 followers on Telegram. Just like is the case for its more prominent and more established cousins, the founders of this particular dog coin are unknown. That is somewhat of a common occurrence for meme coins, and investors are well advised due to due diligence with little-known coins to avoid falling victim to malicious practices like rug pulls and exit scams. With that said, ELON has been on the market for several months, making the likelihood of the coin being a scam relatively small. Today we will tell you news about DOGELON cryptocurrency. Elon Musk, Elon's brother, says he violently opposes cryptocurrency. Mining Bitcoin has been shown to consume an enormous amount of energy. A single BTC transaction is projected to eat up 2,292.5 kilowatt-hours of electricity, which is sufficient to run a normal US home for nearly 80 days. This is the reason why his brother Elon stopped accepting Bitcoin payments for Tesla vehicles last year, despite the fact that the electric car manufacturer still has roughly $2 billion in Bitcoin on its balance sheet. With over 200,000 transactions each day and counting, worry about crypto's environmental impact has grown. Tesla announced in a filing with the US Securities and Exchange Commission on February 8 last year that it had invested $1.5 billion in Bitcoin. Elon's younger brother stated last week that Tesla was initially completely ignorant of Bitcoin's environmental implications when it introduced the cryptocurrency to its balance sheet. Elon is the owner of the environmentally friendly restaurant business The Kitchen, and is reported to have a net worth of $700 million. He is on the boards of directors of Tesla and SpaceX, and holds a sizable stake in the space exploration company. Elon announced the development of a decentralized autonomous organization, DAO, in December last year with the goal of enabling decentralized charity. He discussed a variety of issues with Input magazine, including his thoughts on wealth, and his food equality cryptocurrency initiative, Big Green DAO. BGDAO is built on the Ethereum blockchain, and provides each member with a single vote on the decentralized autonomous organization's decisions. On carbon footprints and being cautious, Elon did express optimism for Ethereum 2.0, which is expected to consume significantly less energy than Ether, and is also expected to be more secure. Meanwhile, environmentalists claim that cryptocurrency's rise is creating a massive carbon footprint, thereby contributing to the world's climate problem. Elon also shared the tips that his brother has given him when it comes to cryptocurrencies. To be honest, I have no idea what his position is on crypto, he told Input. The most important piece of advice I received from my brother is be cautious, he said. This Dogecoin spin-off once rallied by 4,276%, but still continues to surprise. When a coin happens to be valued at $0.0000008264, no one really cares about it. But because this meme token's name is associated with two of the most prominent crypto personalities, people do notice it. Named after Dogecoin and Elon Musk, the coin managed to rally by 4,276% within a month back in October 2021. However, since then, it has come down by 64.15%. But yesterday's rise placed the coin back in investors' observation, and asset inflation will run at double the rate of consumer inflation. Weaker currencies will collapse, and the flight of capital from cash, debt and value stocks to scarce property like Bitcoin will intensify. Musk responded that it's not surprising that Saylor would reach that conclusion. To his point, Saylor's company does hold over 125,000 BTC, and he is one of the cryptocurrency's most vocal supporters. Nevertheless, Musk also shared his thoughts on what assets he thinks is good to hold under the current predicament. As a general principle, for those looking for advice from this thread, it is generally better to own physical things like a home, or stock in companies you think make good products, than dollars when inflation is high. He also outlined that he still owns, and has no plans of selling his Bitcoin, Ethereum, or Dogecoin. And second news today is Elon Musk won't sell Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoins as inflation soars and recession risk grows. Tesla and SpaceX founder Elon Musk has reiterated his commitment to holding his stack of Bitcoin, BTC, Ethereum, ETH, and Dogecoin, Doge, when preaching to his more than 77 million Twitter followers about ways to hedge against inflation. In a recent Twitter post, Musk asked the Twitter community to share their thoughts about the probable inflation rate over the next few years. He then added that the inflation pressure is already affecting Tesla and SpaceX, as prices of raw materials keep rising. In response, Bitcoin bull and MicroStrategy CEO Michael Saylor speculated that United States dollars consumer inflation will. DOGELON is currently worth $0.00000076 United States dollars at $421,924,430, making it 126 on the most valuable coin list. Is dogelonmars, ELON, a good investment? How much will dogelonmars cost in 2025, or how much will dogelonmars cost 10 years from now? The results of only observations for 2022, and this is what experts predict for this year. By 2022, dogelonmars, ELON, appears to have reached price levels similar to their all-time high. By 2022, we expect the average rate to be $0.00000092. If all goes smoothly, we predict that the dogelonmars market price could increase to $0.00000105 in 2022. But the next year will be more interesting for investment. In 2023, with higher consumption and partnership between important ranges, the price of dogelonmars will skyrocket. The maximum trading price will reach $0.00000158 in 2023. The price ranges will be very trendy if we keep them. If all goes well, we expect an average price of $0.00000132, with an expected price of $0.00000158 for 2023. If you are planning to invest for the long term, here is the forecast for 2024. ELON is discovered by potential. As signs and innovations are found, an increase in the number of users and advertising is possible. If the market focuses on investment in dogelonmars, the price could be higher. By 2024, it may reach a maximum value of $0.00000221. ELON is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2024 could end with an average price of $0.00000192, a low price of $0.00000186, and an expected price of $0.00000221. Course forecast 2025 ELON will be seen as the best option, and with the spread of the dogelon community, Mars is finding new highs. Price swings are hard to predict, especially if the market is more bullish or bearish than ever. For the year 2025, the dogelonmars price will be almost $0.00000271. The maximum bet we can get is $0.00000326. dogelonmars average price forecast for the end of 2025 could be around $0.00000278. A large price turnover is expected in the turnover observed in the cryptocurrency market. dogelonmars course prediction 2026 volatility drives the cryptocurrency market. Today, forecasting and implementation at current prices is expected. Many cryptanalysts are at play in this regard. Price predictions are correct for recovery years. Cryptocurrency consumers still ban and restrict cryptocurrencies. dogelonmars could cross $0.00000464 if the market sees a good normal run in 2026. ELON rate prediction 2027 dogelonmars will increase the load on the network and interaction with people. Therefore, the settlement price for 2027 is bullish.